Eliot Jones, Midnight Superhero by Anne Cottringer, illustrated by Alex T. Smith. Top Secret. By day, Eliot is quiet. He reads his books, he feeds his goldfish, he watches Mr. Smith wash his car. You can kind of see him out the window there. Tick, tock, tick, tock, tick, tock, bong! But when the clock strikes midnight, Eliot is a superhero. He hangs out of helicopters. He skis down glaciers. He returns teddy bears to babies. Sometimes the mayor needs Eliot's help. "The lions have escaped the zoo," he cries. "They're rampaging through the streets." Luckily, Eliot is an expert lion tamer. He leaps from his bedroom window, races through the screaming crowds, and comes face to face with the lions. He stares into the eyes of the roaring beasts. One by one, Eliot stops them in their tracks. He leads the lions back to the zoo, and as the crowds cheer, sometimes the Coast Guard calls on his services. "Help!" they shout. "A ship is about to crash onto the rocks." Luckily, Eliot is a champion swimmer. He dives into the towering waves and grabs the anchor and tows the ship to safety as the sailors shout, "Hooray!" Sometimes the Queen requires his assistance. "A criminal mastermind has stolen the royal jewels," announces the royal butler. Luckily, Eliot is an excellent sleuth. He sneaks into the criminal mastermind's secret hideout. Tiptoe. He follows the clues, cracks the code, opens the safe, and returns the jewels to the grateful Queen. Tonight, Eliot receives an urgent message from the world's most important scientists. "A gigantic meteor is heading this way. It's going to smash into the Earth." This is Eliot's most dangerous mission ever. Luckily, Eliot has built a meteor-busting rocket launcher for just such an occasion. Unluckily, it's hidden in a deep cave in the Himalayan mountains of Tibet. The only way to get there before the meteor strikes is by supersonic jet. Luckily, Eliot is a skilled jet pilot. Eliot sets off over the Atlantic, down the Arabian Sea, across the Himalayas. Clouds are forming over the mountains. Eliot can barely see. Suddenly, a snow-capped peak flashes past his window. Another looms up straight ahead. Eliot dips his left wing and swerves just in time. To reach the cave, he must now land on the shortest, most dangerous runway in the world. He grips the controls. The wheels bump the ground. Screech! Eliot skids to a halt. The sky is blazing with light, the light of the meteor. Closer and closer it comes. Eliot can see the entrance to the cave far above him. Luckily, Eliot is a highly experienced mountaineer. He scrambles up the cliff face and into the cave. Eliot swings the barrel of the meteor-busting rocket launcher toward the sky. He aims. He holds his breath. He waits until just the right moment. He fires. Kapow! Eliot saves the world from destruction. Hooray! The Queen gives Eliot an award for his courage and ingenuity. The earth trembles with deafening applause. But being a midnight superhero is very tiring. It doesn't leave Eliot with much energy. So by day, Eliot is quiet. Shh.